Try lang, Doc.
Andito na tayo. Okay. Okay, this is about perspectives in healing, no? And we shall test your knowledge on the fundamentals of traditional Chinese medicine. In TCM, Qi is best defined as
Wait. Vital life source.
great. Wow. Good health depends primarily on
Um, C. Smooth, abundant, balanced Chi.
Qi deficiency is most commonly associated with.
Hmm.
Wait, no, coach.
A. Hyperactivity.
Wait lang. Qi deficiency, kulang sa qi, kulang sa energy.
B.
What's your
Fatigue.
answer? Okay,
Fatigue.
letter B.
Fatigue and weakness.
Cheat. Okay. Qi stagnation may lead to
C. Pain and emotional distress.
good. Rebellious qi may manifest as rebellious,
Uh,
bumabalik pata.
D. Blurred vision
What do you
or
mean by rebellious qi? Okay, yung qi niya is not the normal flow, normal direction, no? So, rebellious, rebelde, not the,
A.
okay, so it's A, nausea or coughing.
Yes,
Okay?
nausea or
Shall
coughing.
indicate
Oh, okay.
healthy qi.
D. Strong and flowing.
According to TCM, qi should,
Should B. Flow throughout the body.
wow. Emotional distress is most closely associated with emotion.
uh, Stagnant chi.
Great. Which is not a state of qi.
D. Toxic.
The concept of qi emphasizes
C. Vital energetic function.
yin and yang represent
Uh, B. Dynamic balance.
which characteristic belongs to yin,
D. Nourishing.
which characteristic belongs to yang.
Yeah. Uh, C. Protective.
Mhm. Yin is associated with
With C. Interior.
yang is associated with
With, C. Exterior.
health exists when
When yin and yang remain balanced. C.
which pair correctly matches yin.
Uh, B. Cool and restful.
Wow. Okay. Yung answer ko pala mali. Okay. Which pair correctly matches yang?
Warm and active. C.
Great. Yin primarily relates to
C. Substance.
the yin yang concept illustrates
C. Dynamic relationship.
which element corresponds to the liver and gallbladder.
A. Fire.
Would you like to try again?
Uh, uh,
Liver.
Metal.
Okay.
Sorry, Doc. No.
Bakit mo nakalimutan?
Wood.
Wood. Okay.
Oh, wood.
Mhm. The emotion associated with
Let us
fire.
anger, D.
Mm, where did you learn
Oh,
that?
not anger. Grief?
Try again.
No.
C.
Fear.
Okay,
C.
joy.
Joy.
Oh, okay. See, joyful.
Okay, Oino coaching. The heart and small intestine belong to
Uh, metal, D.
mm,
No, fire,
fire. Which
D.
emotion is linked to earth?
Hmm. B, fear or joy?
Mm, no.
Grief.
Hmm?
Worry.
Okay, one more try.
A.
A.
A, worry.
Okay. Ilan na yung mali? Okay. The season associated with
Mga
metal.
5 na.
It's okay. Oy, don't take this too seriously, okay? The season associated with metal.
Metal. Hmm. Winter lang, Dok. I don't know this. Sorry.
Oh,
Autumn.
you should know that. Metal.
Wala pa ako dito. Summer.
Ay, no,
Or
no,
spring.
no. Okay,
Ah,
sige.
yes.
Autumn. Which organ
Oh,
system belongs to
autumn.
water?
Okay. Oh, hindi pa siya tapos. Belong to water. Kidney and bladder. C.
Great. Grief corresponds to grief.
Earth. A.
No. Wala ka pa dyan? Okay. Another try.
Hmm. Uh, Grief. Water. B.
Yeah. No.
Oh, it's metal, Dok.
Metal.
B. Tama yung
One.
una.
Okay. Grief.
So, metal
Fear
and
is
B.
associated
Okay.
with
Metal. With a lung and large intestine. D.
no fear.
No.
Like, what happens when you're afraid? Like,
Fear.
would you like to poop or would you like to?
Oh, okay. Spleen and stomach. C.
Oh, that's too much thinking. That's worry.
Oh, kidney and bladder.
Kidney and
A.
bladder. Okay. The spleen and stomach
Kidney
correspond
and
to
bladder. To water.
ouch. No, 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 no. No. Another try.
No. Wood. A.
No.
C.
One
Earth.
more. Earth. Okay, correct
Sabi ko
answer
na
is
lahat.
Earth.
B. Fire.
Okay.
Yes.
I just wanted
Earth.
to know how far you've been. Okay. The five elements primarily describe
B. Relationship and transformation.
that TCM views the body and mind as
C. Occasionally connected.
hmm, no.
Separate,
They're actually very
inseparable.
connected.
Separable.
Inseparable,
Oh,
di
yeah.
ba? Hmm.
Oh,
According to
okay.
TCM, this is 50 items. It's okay. According to TCM,
Lifestyle affects organ function.
very good. Humans are considered connected to
C. Nature and seasonal cycles.
a symptom is viewed as
A larger pattern of imbalance.
yes. Meridians are
B.
channels through which
A. Nerves travel.
mm,
No. B. Chi and blood circulate.
okay, you change your answer. Okay. Meridians help What?
Uh, A or B? Produce blood
Oh,
cells. OA.
no, 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 no. It cannot produce blood cells. They maintain physiological balance.
Physiological balance.
Meridians connect.
Hmm. Organs and tissues.
Great. Acupuncture points are located along,
Meridians.
of course, which is not a function of meridians.
D. Produce hormones.
The holistic perspective emphasizes.
Hmm.
You read all the
C.
options carefully.
Interconnectedness.
Very good. How many classic examinations are used in TCM diagnosis?
4.
Okay. No, yeah. Four. Kala ko kasi D. Okay. Four. Observation includes examining.
A. Tongue appearance only. No,
Listening
not
and
only,
smelling
but tongue
involve
appearance.
assessment of. Listening and
Uh,
smelling.
A. Voice and odors.
Inquiry focuses on.
B. Symptoms, lifestyle, and emotions.
Palpation includes.
B. Pulse diagnosis.
Acupuncture aims to.
B. Regulatory and restore balance.
Which therapy uses burning mugwort?
Moxibustion.
Sebastian. Cupping therapy
Moxibustion.
primarily uses.
B. Suction cups.
Food in TCM is considered.
Medicine with energetic properties. B.
The guiding principle, treat the root, not just the branch, emphasizes.
Treating underlying causes. B.
Wow, congratulations, Mom Alexa Kizaya. Thank you for your bravery,
Yes.
your honesty. Any comment? Di ba? Ilan yung score mo?
Thank you, Doc.
Wow.
Uh, Not sure.
Okay.
Maybe 20 wrong.
No naman, no. Just, okay.
Ano?
Not bad.